Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Following Forward Financial. Just an update here on apartment investment management, or ticker AIV. I've covered this one a couple times. It's been one of my higher viewed videos on the channel here. I've covered it a couple times throughout the past. The reason it caught my eye is right here back in December. You can see the sharp drop off. I received an alert on my phone and got to looking into this one, and just started buying it and making some videos on it, and it's just really taken off. So you can see right there on December 7th and 11th, and just kind of starts going down, and then just a complete drop off down to $5.04, $4.65. Ever since then, it's just been kind of going up at a nice steady pace, and so I bought some in a retirement and thought, well, maybe it'll be going back up. But this one kind of split it off with I believe AIRC, which I do not have. We can take a look at that one. So AIRC. So I do not have any of this one. But again, they kind of did a split, and this one was listed right about the time of the split. So I guess wouldn't have been too bad of an investment, since it's been up 42%, almost 43, going on 43% for the year. But didn't get into that one, so didn't really watch that one like I am this one. So again, back to AIV, and I don't have any currently here in Robinhood. I have, I believe, about 100 shares in my retirement, but as you can see, what this one has done over the year, what it's done here over the last 3 months, up almost 8%, not too great of a last month. It's down a little bit, over 7%, and the last week it's down almost 3%. And here's a look at what it's doing today. So 684 on up to 702. So could have even traded this one today and made a decent return on it. So back to AIV. If you don't know what this one is, it's a real estate investment trust, or a REIT. I've covered several REITs here on the channel. I have quite a few of them in my retirement, and some here in Robinhood as well. This one's been around since 1975, headquartered in Denver. Average volume of 2.42 million and a $2.34 billion market cap. This is the thing that kind of got me into it. I think that was up in the 50s when I first started looking at it, so it's still kind of up there. A lot of people wouldn't even touch something like this since it's got such a high yield on it, but I don't have a whole lot invested into it, so it's grown. It's the share prices went up, so again, that's what I'm looking at. But you can see here, since December 21st, looks like I tried buying some at 446, and I don't know, I just tried one share, but I have this one also, this NRZ. I believe I've done videos on that one as well. So back to AIV, I have a couple articles coming out here, and this one does have earnings coming up on August 2nd. And there was just a couple articles in here. I found this website's kind of interesting, Market Beat. Goes over the stock forecast, price, and news, and so kind of some good information in here. Some of the articles that I opened up, AIV stock price is down 7.5%, and this is just stated, well, actually 2 days ago on Monday. So AIV shares traded down 7.5% during the midday trading on Monday. The stock traded as low as $6.51 and last traded at $6.52. That many shares changed hands during trading, a decline of 98% from the average session volume of 3,996,727 shares. The stock had previously closed at $7.05. Business's 50-day moving average is $7.09. The company had a debt-to-equity ratio of 0.74, current ratio of 0.37, and a quick ratio of 0.37. AIV had issued its earnings results on Sunday, May 16th. The Real Estate Investment Trust reported 14 cents per earnings. EPS for the quarter beating the consensus estimate of 1 cent by 15 cents. So, not too bad there. So, a number of institutional investors and hedge funds had recently modified their holdings of AIV. And so that's another thing to watch and see what that does to the stock price, but it seems like it keeps going up. So for those of you that would like to read the rest, I'm just going to pause and you can read the rest there, or else you can go right to the source on AmericanBankingNews.com. It kind of goes over some pension funds and everything. So AIMCO is a real estate investment trust focused on property development, redevelopment, and various other value-creating investment strategies targeting the U.S. Multifamily market. AIMCO's mission is to make real estate investments where outcomes are enhanced through human capital and substantial value is created for investors, teammates, and communities in which they operate. Moving on here, short interest in AIV and management rises by 28.2%. So was the target of a large increase in short interest in the month of June. As of June 30th, there was a short interest totaling 8,090,000 shares, an increase of 28.2% from June 15, total of 6,310,000 shares. Currently 5.6% of the company's stock are short sold. Based on an average daily volume of 3,100,000 shares, the days to cover ratio is presently 2.6 days. AIV traded down 51 cents during midday trading on Monday, hitting 6.54, and the company stock had a trading volume of 3,087,961 shares compared to an average volume of almost 4 million at 3,990,045 shares. Firm's 50-day moving average price is $7.09, with a 12-month low of 265 and a 12-month high of 774. So it's getting close back up to the 52-week high. The company has a current ratio of 0.37, quick ratio of 0.37, and debt-to-equity ratio of 0.74. AIV has posted quarterly earnings results on May 16th. The Real Estate Investment Trust, we already went over this information, 14 cents per earnings, and so slowly scrolling through for those of you that would like to read the rest. And we already went over about what AIV is. So over here to Yahoo Finance, just a different look at it on Yahoo Finance. Not any other new information in there. Back to Reddit. Nothing really talking about it here in Reddit. Currently at 690 here on StockTwits, a low of 211, high of 774. Latest forecasts and market data for apartment investment and management. AIV, nice turnaround. Day traders watching. Like I said, if you got into it at the right time, you could trade this one, but pump it, should be pump it, load the boat. My eyes point is at 11. So like I said, when I first got into this one, I watched it and then I picked up some shares, and it's just slowly went up, and I've been happy with this one. So I was kind of leery of it at first since it did the split and I didn't know really what the price was going to do, but I thought for sure it had to go up just like this is showing here. So That's what made me get into this one. Gift for anyone looking for a great buy today. Why investors are so scared it's already low price for AIV. And tip ranks did not have anything on it today, so but again, if you look at it over the last week, you could have got a nice dip in here, 649, 650, and then again it's kind of went up since then, so would have had a decent 40-cent return there in just a day or two. So but that's all that I have on AIV. If you still have this one or the AIRC, go ahead and list that in the comments as well, and how many shares you have. That would be interesting to know, and if you have any more information on this one that we could share together. So, and also smash that like button, hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop, and if you haven't subscribed yet, I hit 1,000, so I'm on my way to 2,000 and see where it takes us from there. So again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.